Your business might be unique, but the challenges you are facing every day aren't. And very often those challenges are lack of integration, inflexible processes, and poor visibility. All these things affect your business and your life. If these things resonate with you and your business, to save your time, money, and to give you more freedom and control in your life. What if we told you that your business processes could be automated and significantly improved? From e-commerce and distribution to manufacturing. If your systems are fragmented at the moment, not only can we provide an integrated system, but also a modern working framework that supports better decision making wherever you are. So what is Acumatica's scope of solution? It includes CRM, sales and customer portal, e-commerce, distribution, manufacturing, finance, business intelligence, process-driven implementation, and many more. Arcus specializes in just one product, and Acumatica has become the fastest growing cloud ERP in the global market. With our proven approach to implementation and own brand of client engagement, we are making a difference in ERP. One client at a time.